Hey, welcome to this video. So the previous video we activated the Thrive theme builder. So I click on the Thrive and here we got this active theme. You can click on the star wizard here or click on the activated theme, and on the left side you can see we have side wizard. You click on the side wizard, start building your own theme. So the first thing I want to get started with is to click on the get started. So we been asked to add a logo. So the logo size is 250 times 40. So I'm gonna go with this option here, 250 times 40. Notice here, if you go to Photoshop, new, you click on 250 times 40. This is the size that they ask for. So notice here, 250 times 40. I'm gonna choose this size actually, 250 times 40. And this is very small size, 250 times 40. I'm gonna go to the image size here and try to maximize this size a little bit to match my need. So I can choose percentage and maximize it. Or I can choose the logo that I have, the existing logo. So I'm gonna choose it, the existing logo that I have. So this is the logo small. I'm not gonna use the logo big because it's very big. I'm gonna use logo small, optimized for web, and drag it. We don't have that drag, so I click on upload and drag it here. So let me do that. Logo small, drag it to the uploader and select. So I'm gonna use these two logos and click on continue. The main color. So the main color is basically this color on your Photoshop. So notice here, this is the logo that I have. So if you click on the inspect option inside your Google Chrome, you click on plus here, you choose color, and let's say red. The main color is red. So I click on red. There is a dropper icon, eyedropper. Click on eyedropper, come to the logo, choose this logo color. So this is my logo color. All right, and I'm just gonna choose this logo as a main logo for the website because this is the brand color. We generated that from all AI, and then we use it as a main logo for our as a main color for our logo. So just gonna choose this. Here you're asked to choose the type of header. So we have different options. We have like this option, this option. We have multiple actually. I'm just gonna choose the default one with centralized approach. So we have the logo in the center, the get in touch button, and the menu to the left. That's really cool. Just gonna choose and continue. Alright, here they're gonna ask you to use logo social. This is like we're gonna use it, and here we're gonna choose the page, the landing page. So I'm gonna choose from ready-made home pages. Alright, so we have this option, trainer homepage. Let me see. We have gym homepage. We have book. We have poke landing page. So basically, I think I'm gonna go with the book landing page. All right, I'm gonna go with this. I like it. And I click on choose and continue. This is the blog grid layout. All right, for the blog, I'm gonna choose the default one. This is the boxed layout for sample page. That's really cool. And for the WordPress menu, we don't have a menu right now, so I need to create a new one. So you basically go to the appearance menus and you create a menu called main menu, and I just gonna add the following pages to it. Create that menu, Alright, so save the menu. So main menu has been updated. We got like generated homepage. You can just basically type, change the name to be home, and got blog and sample page. That's really cool. Just save the settings, and inside your Thrive Builder, you can go back to the page and then go back to the menu and activate menus on my website. Go to the dashboard and then open the wizard again, because we've updated the menu. So I gotta choose main menu to the header and the footer. Activate menus on website again. Now I can preview the website. So once you click on the preview, you can see right now we have activated basically the book layout. Alright, and you can also inspect the menu or the design using the inspector here. Let me choose, for example, iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is going to be the design on iPhone. That's really cool. So right now we have like a general theme here. We can get started with it. We need to customize everything in this page, everything inside the home page. We're going to add different pages. We're going to change the main structure, the main images to match our brand color, to match our photos, to match basically everything inside the current theme. But right now we got everything set up. The theme is set up, activated. We choose the brand color, which is the logo, and also we got the call to action button inside the header. So the next step is to start customizing this website, generate the content, and generate the appropriate pages. We're gonna see in this video, guys.